Certainly, let's dive into the world of flaxseed and explore its numerous benefits and uses. Flaxseed, also known as linseed, has been valued for its health benefits for centuries. Here's a comprehensive look at what makes flaxseed a standout superfood. Health benefits of flaxseed. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid (ALA). Omega-3s are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. 2. High in dietary fiber. Flax seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. This fiber content helps to regulate blood sugar levels, support digestive health, and maintain bowel regularity. 3. Loaded with lignans. Flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that have antioxidant properties. Lignans are known to help reduce the risk of cancer, particularly breast and prostate cancer, by acting as phytoestrogens. 4. Supports heart health. The combination of omega-3s, fiber, and lignans in flax seeds helps to lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. 5. Aids in weight management. The fiber in flax seeds can help control appetite by promoting a feeling of fullness, making it easier to manage weight. Additionally, it can help reduce belly fat. 6. Improves skin and hair health. Flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3s, can be beneficial for skin and hair health. It helps to hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and prevent premature aging. For hair, it can enhance growth and add shine. 7. Supports hormonal balance. The lignans in flax seeds have hormone balancing properties, which can be particularly beneficial for women. They can help alleviate symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in flax seeds have anti-inflammatory effects, which can benefit conditions like arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory diseases. 9. Enhances digestive health. Flax seeds promote a healthy gut environment by acting as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This helps improve overall digestive health. How to use flaxseed. 1. Whole seeds. Whole flax seeds can be added to breads, muffins, and other baked goods. However, they need to be ground for the body to absorb their nutrients fully. 2. Ground flaxseed meal. Ground flaxseed can be sprinkled over cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. It can also be mixed into smoothies, soups, and stews. 3. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is a concentrated source of omega-3 fatty acids and can be used in salad dressings, drizzled over roasted vegetables, or added to smoothies. It's best not to heat flaxseed oil, as it can degrade its nutritional value. 4. Baking ingredient. Ground flaxseed can be used as an egg substitute in baking. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes to gel. 5. Flaxseed supplements. For those who prefer a convenient option, flaxseed oil supplements are available in capsule form. Incorporating flaxseed into your diet. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost. Oatmeal. Sprinkle ground flaxseed on top of your oatmeal for added fiber and omega-3s. Baking. Use ground flaxseed in muffins, bread, or pancake batter. Salads. Drizzle flaxseed oil over your salads as part of a healthy dressing. Yogurt. Mix ground flaxseed into yogurt for extra texture and nutrients. Soups and stews. Stir ground flaxseed into soups and stews for a thicker consistency and added nutrition. Conclusion. Flaxseed is an incredibly versatile and nutrient-dense food that can offer a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, support digestive function, or boost your omega-3 intake, incorporating flaxseed into your diet is a simple and effective way to enhance your overall well-being. So, Give flaxseed a try and see how this tiny seed can make a big difference in your health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my